Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your portfolio with Roku, full guide step by step clearly. To recover your portfolio with Roku, begin by opening the Roku device. Ensure your device is powered on and connected to the internet. Using your remote, navigate to the home screen. Locate the Streaming Channels option on the left sidebar. Select Streaming Channels to access the channel store. In the channel store, use the search function in the upper right corner. Type in Roku to find the Roku channel. Once located, highlight the Roku channel and select Add Channel. Wait a moment as the channel is added to your device. Return to the home screen and locate the Roku channel among your installed channels. Open the Roku channel and sign in using your account credentials. If you do not have an account, create one following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to your portfolio options. You should see all your saved content and episodes. Browse through your portfolio to find the shows or movies you want to recover. Select the desired item to view details. If you want to restore any items, simply follow the prompts to add them back. Check if there are any updates available for the Roku channel. If so, allow the updates to install for the best experience. After updates, return to your portfolio and verify that all content is available. If you still encounter issues, consider signing out and signing back in. This can refresh your account and restore your portfolio. For persistent problems, consult Roku's support documentation for further assistance. Enjoy your viewing experience and the restored portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.